This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. It is August 2nd, 2019. We can see the markets are cooled down about 1% on average. Let's take a look here, and I want to discuss this idea which I call and what this is very simple. Let me first explain what I mean by this. Is take a look at this situation where markets can be very annoying, because if you get it wrong, the punishment is almost in your face. Now, from here to about here, it took the market 5 weeks. 5 weeks of slow grinding, up and down, but 5 weeks from here to here. It's only taken the market 3 weeks, actually no, excuse me, 1 week to pretty much give back all those gains from here to here. And in fact, if we are to be honest with each other, it's actually taken the market less time. It's taken the market 3 days, essentially 3 days to erase 5 weeks of gains. 3 days to erase 5 weeks of gains. And it's something as market participants we have to deal with. This pretty much, let's call it, imbalanced approach to markets, where essentially we have a situation where we use the staircase on our way up and we use the elevator on our way down, hence the acronym SUED, staircase up, elevator down. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESS.